As an attorney, sometimes it's really upsetting how many different mass torts there are for drugs, medical devices. And this one, NEC lawsuit for necrotizing enterocolitis, is really disheartening and sad. It involves babies, premature babies, that get this bacteria. And the only reason they're getting this bacteria is because of infant baby formula. Formula that's given to premature babies because they can't have breast milk. And the formula is usually Enfamil or Similac. And there's evidence that these companies knew that their formula leads to, because it has cow milk, it leads to this bacteria that injures the baby's intestines, the linings of the intestines, which is the NEC, the NEC, necrotizing enterocolitis. But despite knowing this, the companies still continue to manufacture and sell this formula without taking out the cow milk. And they did that because each one didn't want to lose market share against the other, basically profits over people. And that's truly sad. So now lawyers and doctors are teaming up together, starting medical legal groups to file lawsuits against these companies to obtain compensation for injury victims, as well as some cases involve wrongful death. Usually NEC is diagnosed at about 20 or more weeks after birth, and it's a very terrible, terrible injury. It involves ischemia, which if something is ischemic, it means there's lack of blood flow and dead tissue. And it also involves hemorrhagic areas of the intestines, which means that the bacteria attacks certain areas leading to just hemorrhages and blood flow, but other areas have lack of blood flow and become ischemic. So both types of injuries occur. And the way to get it diagnosed is with a KUB x-ray of the abdomen. And what a lot of times we're seeing is that babies who suffer NEC, the neck injury, it's necrotizing, which means there's death of tissue, and it's also enterocolitis, and that is the inflammation or the burning of the intestine. So there's death of tissue, but there's also inflammation, and it's a very horrific injury. So we're just gathering evidence. We have a few of these cases that we're filing, and we're starting investigations in more cases. And we're trying to gather as much evidence as possible and learn as much as we can so we could fulfill our mission, which is helping serious injury victims and their families. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And if anyone is affected by this neck injury from a baby formula, let us know. We'd be happy to help, consult with you, provide resources to doctors, lawyers, ourselves, and we partner with a lot of other lawyers all across the country. So we're here for you. Okay, have a great day, and we'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.